What's going on, guys? Happy Friday. Got a little thing for you here. So, question, can you discount future negative cash flows? Answer, of course, yes, you can. So if we have cash flows like, let's say period 1 is negative 40,000, period 2 is negative 5,000, period 3 is negative 9,000, and these could be months or years, just depend on whatever your discount rate is for if it's an annual discount rate or monthly. Um, period 4, say negative, 50,000, and then you've got some positive cash flows coming back in, say 650,000. So here you have some negatives. You don't have all the negative amount right in period 0, so this would be period 0, period 1, etc. And you have negative cash flows in the future. So what do? Well, you can discount them the same way. So if our discount rate were 10%, here I could just go the present value of all the cash flows. You take the value of the cash flow divided by 1 plus your discount rate raised to the period. It's a pretty simple calculation. You can drag that over, and there's your present values. So you can see the present value of a negative is just a less of a negative, because it's saying if you have to give $5,000 away in whatever this is, 1 year from now or 1 month from now, at 10% discount, the value that you have to actually, your liability essentially that you're giving away, is only worth this amount today, and so on. So same deal, and then when you do your net present value, you just sum up all the discounted values of everything. So you're at 354, and note the IRR here is this, it'll set that to 0. So if you did an IRR on the cash flows and put that for your discount rate, you get a 0 NPV. But at 10%, you get 354. And yeah, I mean, all you're doing is just summing up. I mean, the effect of a negative cash flow is still reducing your net present value, but it's reducing it less than if you had to give it all up right away. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I know people just getting into finance probably have this question. They're learning discounted cash flow, and they're like, well, what if you have a future negative value? What do you do? So this is the answer. You just treat it like a regular cash flow, and you can still discount it just the same, and it's just worth less of a negative amount when you go to calculate the net present value of all your cash flows. Alrighty, well, that's all I got for you on this one. Don't forget, check out smarthelping.com for more. I've got a couple of valuation templates here that use this similar logic. This one's a cool one, the sensitivity tables, and it's got some cool visuals with different discount rates. And then again, I've got over 100 different financial models, mostly startup models for different industries, SaaS, real estate, all bottom up, have unique logic, industry specific, joint venture waterfalls. This uses a lot of discounted methodologies in IRR hurdles, accounting tools, human resource trackers, personal finance tools, Google Sheet stuff, um, sales pipeline tracking, and then again, business valuation or cash flow valuation. Note you can buy everything on the whole site for $9.99 right here at the top. You can buy by category or individually. So that's all I got for you here, and catch you later.